Forward this video or I'll eat you. Extra lettuce. If the bill HR 669 passes, it will be against the law to keep any exotic reptiles, almost all small animals like hamsters and gerbils, and even most tropical fish like betta fish, angelfish, and almost all tropical fish. So you must go to the link that I posted right on the left over there, and you have to vote, and you have to email your representatives in any state that you live in, and you have to email them about not passing this bill. This is very serious, and it could pass. It has a bigger chance of passing than any other bills that we've faced. So you need to email your representatives about this bill. Okay guys, if this bill passes, then he will be confiscated. He's a beautiful snake. He's an Indonesian garter snake, and he's from Indonesia, so he will be confiscated. And I got him from Petco, even though they're terribly overpriced. He's mine. I love him to death. He's my first reptile. He's from Indonesia, so he would be confiscated. If this bill passes, then it would be against the law to have this wonderful long-haired hamster as a pet. He comes from Africa. It's actually my sister's, and her name is Trinity. She's a very fun pet, and she's just she's awesome. And if the law passes, she will be confiscated, and it would be illegal to have her as a pet. This law passes, and then this Japanese fighting fish will be unlawful to keep. This bill.
Down and abused for being strong.
Oh yeah, and subscribe to these people.